fix that.
YouTube, we are tire testing the GRPs for speed runs. We found one wheel that was slightly out of round.
That one looks pretty good.
Okay, this other wheel look good. How much ballooning we got?
Hardly any.
Hardly any ballooning, fellas. Very little ballooning. YouTube, this is amazing. I've cracked the code. Woo!
Now we can run, I can set up a sanding pad on this to where we can sand these tires a little and get rid of that slickness on that tire. It'll give you better traction on asphalt.
Oh man, whatever we can do, let's do it. Bring it to the game.
And that could possibly even that wheel up.
Okay, sweet. Oh, this is amazing. Was this the tool you was waiting on, Toucan?
Uh-huh.
What is this called right here?
It's a metal lathe.
A lathe. The lathe, fellas. We was waiting on this. And I come to my guy's shop today, he's surprising me. Sheesh. Fixing GRPs. So are they still good enough to do a speed run on?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, the tire looks round. It's just the wheel's a little off.
Okay.
But the center's okay.
So do we have to put anything? How was the balance on it?
It looks good.
Okay. And that's factory.
It looks all right. I mean, with what we can do with this anyway.
Okay.
Yeah, we definitely want that one on the back.
Okay.
She's a little out of round.
Okay.